Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on artificial intelligence. As we have gone through our previous video, latest video, that was Python chatbot conversation. Today's video is enhancement of previous video. In this video, we will be having more conversation using Python chatbot. In previous video, I executed the program using command prompt. In this video, we will be having conversation with chatbot using browser. So let us go through the program file. I have done this video using Flask framework in Python. First of all, we will go through our main file. This is Flask. Here, these are the dependencies I copied in my directories. Now I will show you the HTML file. Yes, this is our HTML file. This CSS is used and HTML is used. Now we will actually execute the code. Yes, I will make larger. Hi, hello. It is telling hello, thanks for checking. Then how are you? Okay. Do you like maths? Building chat box make excellent hobby. Okay. Do you like information technology? Okay, allow. Okay, nice. Which which smart device you like? Yes, I am inspired by command artificial intelligence. Yes, nice. Now what question I should ask? I will say IoT is interesting. Yes. Mathematics is tough. Yes. So I have successfully done more conversation in Python chatbot, in my more conversation than my previous video of Python chatbot. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.